Hello friends, welcome to our channel.
Today we are making Independence Day card.
So let's get started. Step 1. Fold sheet. Step 2. Cut a square from center and write Happy Independence Day. Step 3. Color inside the letters. Step 4. Decorate the square with beads. Open card and paste flag of India. It was looking so beautiful, and write a quote. Now decorate it more with color and beads. Paste some beads. And the card is ready, as you can see. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.